Hello everybody, welcome to my Python tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about slicing function in list. For those of you who wish to know what a Python list is, I have provided link in my description box. So let's dive in. Now we know Python list works based on zero indexing, and now we can use index to access one element or many elements from the list. Let us see how to do this with slicing operation. The syntax for slicing is list variable square brackets, within that start is to stop is to step. Now we create a list L and populate it with values. For easy decoding, I fill whole numbers in my list. Now if I slice the list from 4 to 9, by default step 1 we get elements from 4 to 8. Now I slice from 1 to 10 by step 2, where the result is set of all odd numbers from 1 to 9. Here is an interesting fact. The step could be negative. Say for instance, we start from index 9 and stop at index 4 by a step -1. It reverses the subsequence of the list. Now we start from the index 10 and stop at the index 5, and the step is -3. In this case, we observe that the middle two elements are skipped and the list subsequence from 10 to 5 is printed in reverse order. The default value of start is 0 and stop is length of L and step is +1. So if we provide L square bracket is to S2, it prints the whole list. We can also say L is 2 as the step is optional. Now when the list index is negative, the default value of start is len L and stop is 0. If you understand the purpose of this, we could reverse the whole list. Let's go by the proof. Now we say L of S2 is to -1 and assign it to reverse L. Now if we print reverse of L, we see that the whole list is reversed. So that's all about slicing in list. See you guys on my next video. Thank you.